Hey guys, Wolfie here, and today we're gonna continue with That's Not My Neighbor. I've heard they had an update. They updated it. Now there is nightmare mode. I really want to try this one because it looks so fun and this designs is just awesome. This sounds fun. Let's give it a try and hopefully don't fluff completely up and get ourselves killed. The following short film is a production of DDD to promote mental health. Hello, if you're watching this short film, it's because we care about your mental health. It's common for our employees to have recurring nightmares due to the psychological burden that comes with the doorman position. That's why we recommend that you use the service provided by the psychology department. My dyslexia is completely running today. Our medical staff is trained to help you cope with the nightmares. Remember that sleeping well is important for better performance at work, and well, no shite. Our star employee Henry strongly recommends this service. He uses it all the time, even when nightmares haven't stopped after the sessions. Okay. Be like Henry. Go to the psychiatrist. Well, to be honest, I've just been there for 2 weeks. That's why I haven't been posting anything. I've been at the mental hospital with some personal issues. Okay. Arcus Dispater. Floor 301. Well, so far you look scrumptious. Again, one little detail off and I'm fluffed. I'm a resident of this astral circle. My apartment number is first on the 3rd floor. Okay, let's see if who you say you are. Okay, wears a mask. Yes. Bright eyes. Indeed, very bright. Long smile. Yeah, I would say so. Dark skin. Yes. Okay, well, you look fine to me, but I can't be sure because... Okay. 63. 25. 25. 89. 49. 64. Okay. And he collects skin. Well, that explains his appearance, but he really looks like the purple guy from Five Nights at Freddy's, though I'm not gonna lie. Well, ID and appearance match, and he's on today's list. Is he good though? Is there something wrong with him? I'ma just hope I don't get killed. I feel like I let the right one in. He wasn't a double. Okay, yeah. Oh wait, she is normal. Ishta? I'm not even gonna pretend I know how to pronounce that. My dyslexia is way too bad. Okay. I am a resident of the Astral Center. I went out to cause pests. Okay, and you say you live on 302? You do when you live alone. Long nose. Yes, yes. Long smile. Indeed. Round head. Yeah, I would say so. Curly hair. Yes. And big eyes. Okay, is there anything at all that looks wrong? Let's check this out first. Okay, 40. Yes. Okay, looks good to me. Is the name wrong? I think you're good. And you are on today's list. Please don't be a doppelganger. I really couldn't see a difference. Is my intuition right? She's not. Oh, she's not a double. She was a double. What? What did I miss? Am I so goddamn blind even though I'm wearing my glasses? Wrong nose? Okay, am I that blind? Did she really wasn't her nose correctly? Okay, editor, show me a clip of what happened. So I don't look stupid. Long smile, indeed. Round head, yeah, I would say so. Curly hair, yes. And big eyes. Please tell me you can prove that I'm not just blind. Also, my cat is joining us today. Well, hello and thank you. 42, yes, indeed. 42, 42, 42. But I'm sorry to say, my dude, but of my knowledge, you're not allowed it. You are? Well, 42, yes, 42, Sure, go on in. It says he's VIP, so if I get killed, I'm gonna be very sad. Okay, good. Oh no, this guy. I'm too stupid to answer your goddamn questions. Okay. You again, well, that's the problem. Are you on the list? I can't. Oh yeah, that's right. It was the other one I. Okay. Well, so far you look correct. Yes, you do live there. Is your name spelled correct? O-R-C-U-S. O-R-C-U-S. This. Pata. Okay. Third floor, you say? Okay. This looks fine. But is there anything wrong with your appearance, though? Collect skin, yeah, okay. Wears a mask, bright eyes, long smile, dark skin. I can't really seem to spot anything wrong with him. We're just gonna cross our fingers and hope we don't get killed. Please be right. Please don't say I missed something again. How? What was wrong with him? To be honest, I really couldn't see. They didn't make fun when they said this one was hard. Yeah, what was wrong? Wrong eyes? Okay, editor, you have to go in and show me that I was wrong again. Because I seriously couldn't see anything wrong with his eyes. Am I blind? We're just gonna... Seabeth. Okay. This is right. And which floor do you live on? By the way, are you on today's list? You are, okay. Okay, this is correct at least. And which floor do you live on? You live on the first. Okay, yeah. Free. Okay, that is right. Scar on his head. Yes, he do indeed have a scar on his head. Small nose. The nose is correct. Big smile. Yes, he does have a big smile. 2 tattoos. He only have 2 tattoos, what I can see. Scar on left cheekbone. Yeah. Okay, I'm just scanning his face now to make sure it's correct. I don't see any difference. I must say he's good. If I'm wrong, I'm gonna cry. Seriously, how could I have missed something small? Because he looked completely fine to me. But, oh no, not you again. Bruh, I clicked wrong. Are you kidding me? Well, screw you then. Oh, are you on today's list? You are on today's list. Okay, N-O-G-T-H-A. Okay, this looks correct, and it says you live on 201. Okay. Round nose, indeed, very round. Several scars, yeah. Curly hair, indeed, very curly. Round head, thin eyebrows. Okay. Yes, and yes. I seriously can't see anything wrong. So let's just cross our fingers that there's nothing minimal wrong with her that I can't see because I'm blind. What was wrong with her? Like, I'm so sure that there is nothing. If it was her eye, I'm gonna scream. Because I saw that, but on the picture it looked like it was correct. What is... What is a fake DD logo? I didn't even notice it was a fake DD logo. Okay, I really need to... Okay, you're the first one. You're Arpuk, but where is your entry request? Okay, good, good. DD, okay, it should look like this. DDD, yes, very good. Okay, 303. And you live with this guy. Okay, Bone Breaker. Yeah, Bone Breaker, yes, yes. Perfect. This is correct, this is correct. Wears a mask, indeed. Round head, yeah. Short hair, yes. Round ears, yeah. Small eyes, okay. This correct, that's correct. That okay. If you tell me there's anything wrong with this guy. Okay. I'm pretty sure it's good. I'm just gonna let him through and cross my fingers that I don't get killed, because I seriously couldn't spot anything. Nothing. Wait, you're not on today's list, are you? No, you're not. Jan Lu. But why aren't you on today's list though? Oh, you should indeed be on the list, so if I maybe call your husband or whatever, he's not gonna say anything like you're already there? Because if he does, I'm gonna detain your goddamn ass. Yes, yes. Oh, she's not at home. Okay. Small nose. Yes. Teeth in the cheeks. Yeah. Thin eyebrows. Yeah. Wait a second. Her eyebrows are wrong. Her eyebrows is wrong. This time I noticed. Okay. Yes, you're one of those. But are you correct though? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, you do have 9 eyes. But you are missing your entry request. Okay, good. First of all, no, that's not fake. That's not fake. Is your name spelled correctly though? Okay, that's correct at least. But are you the second, fourth? You are? Okay. You have 9 eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. Levitates? Yes, you do. Has a halo? Yes. Speak telepathically. Okay. Let's just say the thing about the entry request. You're a doppelganger. You must be, because you speak telepathically, so you don't move. That can't be her. I'm pretty sure that's how it works. She doesn't move. She has to be a doppelganger. Or else I'm really, really freaking stupid. I mean, she has to be a doppelganger because she didn't speak telepathically. Is that because I killed the neighbor? I don't understand. Okay. You're not on the list, my dude, and you're missing your goddamn ID. Okay. First of all, you say you live on which floor? The first, second, okay. 15 needles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, that's correct at least. Dotted eyebrows. Yes. Prominent chin. Yes, you do. Tired eyes. Yes. Sharp teeth. Okay, he does have sharp teeth. Okay. Ears are correct. Eyes are correct. Your eyebrows are. You have 15 needles. Your mouth. Okay. Is there anything wrong with the logos? No, there's not. Okay, and what do? You're a torturer, so it makes sense you say someone will be tortured. Okay, is the name spelled correctly? AX. Okay. Well, I'm gonna call your brother and see if you're home. Because if you are, my dude, you're gonna get detained. Yes. Oh, Exile is not at home. Well then, Actually, is this correct? 25, 25, 96, 96. Oh, wait a second. 96, 98, 6, 9. Bye bye. If I haven't checked that ID number, we would have let a doppelganger in. Oh my god, it's as simple as the numbers being wrong now. Who's the next one? Oh no, that guy again. Let's see if this works. Okay, it did perfectly, because that's like literally the only reason it didn't work. Okay. Yes. Was that it? Seriously? Goodbye. That was a lot of work for nothing, but at least I don't have to watch that stupid idiot again. Wait, didn't I already throw you out? Like, didn't I literally just throw you out? Okay. Yeah, I did, but this time this is actually correct. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Okay. Is your name correct though? HRO. Okay. 23, 23, 53, 53. And do you look wrong in any way? I seriously, honestly, can't spot anything wrong with you. I'm just gonna hope for the best and let you in. Please don't say he was a doppelganger. I seriously couldn't spot anything. What was wrong with him? I had a feeling, but I couldn't spot it. What was the goddamn problem? I did so well. I came so far though. What did I allow in? Was the logo okay, I really need my editor to play back some clips so you can see how I fucked up, because honestly I can't even remember I did that. I didn't even know I did that. Okay. Okay. First of all, you're missing your entry request. Good. Are you even on today's list? You are on today's list though. Which floor are you on? 1-4. Okie 43, yes. 56, yes. 12, yes. That's correct. Okay, and the DDD is correct. What I can see. Now we're gonna go for the name. AN, yes. AZ, yes. Okay, that's correct. And the ID is also correct. Okay, this is correct. Now the question is there... She has a small pointed nose. She does. Wears 7 horns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Wears earrings. She does wear earrings. 3 tattoos. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Sharp teeth. We're just gonna say, why aren't you on the... She do have sharp teeth. Okay. She looks good to me, but I have a feeling I'm gonna get killed. Okay, what was wrong with her? What was the goddamn deal with her? What was the problem? Wrong eyebrows? I looked at her several times and that's what I say, I'm freaking blind. Let's try again. And of course it's her I start out with. Her nose is wrong. I spotted that from miles away. Oh my days, you're not having a great day facial wise. If you kill a neighbor, that's when the face shows up. I get it now. Okay. First of all, Ursula of the stone turning person. Are you even on today's list? You are. Shop. I'm not even gonna try and say that, because that's with my dyslexia and my mispronunciations gonna come out complete wrong, and YouTube's gonna censor me because they think I say something else. And you live alone, of course. Of course you live alone. Well, 15 yes, 68 yes, 4 yes. Okay, that's correct, and that's correct. Is this correct though? Yeah, it is correct. Okay, tattoo on forehead. Yes, indeed, there's a tattoo. Small nose. Yeah. Yes. Big smile. Indeed, a very big smile. 7 snakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Round head. Okay, is her head any other? No, it's not. I just need to make sure. I feel like there's something wrong with her. Go on in. What was wrong with her? I swear, if it was the nose, I seriously missed the expiration date. Well, hello there, Punjabi looking ass. Okay, first of all, your entry request, my dude. First of all, which floor? True. Okay, let's see. CH, yes. AU, yes. Okay, a cold test. Okay, this is correct. This is also correct. Has a trunk. Yes, it does indeed have a trunk. 1 tattoo. Yes, and is it correct? It is. 2 tusks. Yes, you do have 2 tusks. Big ears. And you're on today's list. It doesn't look wrong to me. Yes, your ID. Okay. Okay. That's correct. And that's correct. How about this? That's correct. She does create curses. She lives there. Okay, let's do the name check. N-A-A-Z-Z-A. She's missing an R. Okay, I'm dyslexic, yeah, but I do notice when some goddamn letters are missing. I will be very confused if there's a face now. Okay, good, she was a doppelganger, I thought so. Are you on today's list? Because honestly I can't remember. Yes, you are. You are on today's list. And which floor were you on? 1-1? Fleur, yes, good English. I can't even say English anymore. Scar on your head, yes. Small nose, yes. And it is correct though, right? Yeah. Big smile, I would say so. 2 tattoos, yes, you do indeed have 2 tattoos. Scar on left cheek, yes. Okay, is this correct? Okay, let's see. 33, yes. 25, yeah. 69, yes. And this is good. This is good. Is his name correct though? This is good. And this is good too. Okay. I honestly can't see anything wrong with him. What was wrong? What did I miss? Didn't I check both date, falls, you know, everything? What was wrong? Wrong tattoo? Okay, am I just really freaking blind? Because I seriously didn't see that tattoo being wrong at all. Oh, it's Punjabi looking ass again. You're missing your entry request, my dude. Let's do this. Yeah. CHA. Okay, now 45, 69, 89. Okay. Has a trunk. Is this correct though? Yes, it is. This looks good. 1 tattoo. Yes. 2 tusks. Yes. Big ears. Yeah. But is there anything wrong with his goddamn appearance? Don't see anything. Well, going through and kill me if you must, because I seriously can't see anything wrong with him. Am I seriously that blind? What was wrong with him? And why can't I just finish one? Wrong again, what do you mean by is the game glitching or bugging or something? Because I literally looked at that tattoo I think 10 times and I didn't notice anything wrong with it. I know like it's the smallest detail that can get you killed in this mode, but I seriously didn't see anything wrong with that freaking tattoo. God, this is really hard. Okay, now this scarecrow thingy. Are you on today's list? Or on today's list? Or was it 3-4? Okay. Soul Scarecrow. And let's do this. First of all, that's good. Okay, that's good. DAG, DA, COIM. Boom boom. Yeah. Yeah. That's fine. Anything wrong with his appearance though? Where's a head? Yes. Mouth stitches. Yes. Big head. I would say so. Wears a mask. Yes. Okay. Eyes. Correct. He doesn't have a scar. I did notice the scar right away, but I needed to make sure it wasn't a part of him. Who the hell are you? Chief, thank you, and then go away. Because I don't know how to use that. Aren't you supposed to be another color, or is it just me? Okay. Drug, yeah. Yes, let's get started here. First of all, this looks fine. This is good. This looks good. Okay, that's fine. 11, 11, 66, 82, 11, 11, 11. Okay, that's fine. That's good. 24 fingers. Yes, that is correct. Many eyes. Yes, yes, yes. Small nose. Yeah, I would say that that's a pretty big nose, but okay. Wears earrings. She doesn't wear earrings. What do you mean by... Well, hello there. I haven't seen you before. You're on today's list though, but... How come I killed the neighbor once she wears earrings and she didn't have them on? Well, anyways, okay, you are on today's list, you're on 301. 303, sorry, 103. And is this correct? A, B, D, this is correct. That's fine, okay, now that's fine. That's fine, okay. Now, scar on the nose. Yes, she doesn't have a nose, his nose is a scar basically. Had piercings, he does indeed have piercings. Stretch eyelids, yes, very stretched indeed. Big smile, okay. Well, I honestly don't see anything. I don't see it. Please tell me he's like the real deal. Okay, good. Now you... Okay, you do already have your everything, so that's good. But you're not on today's list though. So I am gonna have to call your sister. Let's see what she has to say. Yes, yes. Oh, she is not at home. Well, shite. Okay. Let's see. First of all, why aren't you on today's list? Small pointed nose. I'm not sure if that nose is wrong though, because it looks like it will. Pointed ears. Yes, very pointy. Wears earrings. Indeed, she does wear earrings. 5 tattooed eyes. Yes, because those one are real. Has fangs. Yes, indeed have Thanks. I'm just scared that they'll say the nose is wrong. Because it's a little less pointy. And I know that they can intentionally. It is wrong, the nose. I'm sure it's wrong. If I let her in, I'm sure they're gonna say it's wrong. So I'm just gonna. Please don't tell me it's a neighbor because I'm so sure that her nose is wrong. Seriously. Oh fuck! That really scared me. So you're only allowed to kill 2 people else the face gets you. Fuck, that scared me. Damn, that really honestly scared me. I had a feeling something would happen with that face, but like it jump scaring me like that. That really actually got me. Okay, note to myself: don't kill more than more than one neighbor, because then you're gonna get killed. Oh, small nose. I don't really think that's a small nose, but yeah. Teeth and cheeks. Yes, indeed. Thin eyebrows. Her eyebrows are wrong. They are wrong. Just gonna make her speak. Yeah, her eyebrows, they are wrong. If you look, it's not the right shape. You're an imposter. I swear to God, if it puts a face on the wall, it's the animator's fault because they made it different and said it was the same. Because literally, those eyebrows are different. I'm sure of it. Okay, Lilith again. Correct, that's correct. That's fine. Okay. Lilith. Okay. 1725. No, it's not. You're an imposter. Goddamn it. Click the goddamn button. If it tells me that she's not a doppelganger, I'm gonna lose my shit because I saw with my own eyes that that number was wrong. Oh, you again. Yes. Yes. H. T. That's an A, not an O, or the other way around, I can't remember, but still. You're not gonna go through me that easily. I'm not stupid. I may be dyslexic, but I can see the difference between 2 numbers. Or actually, it's letters, but shh. Haven't I let you in today? That's the thing. No, I haven't, because you're not on the list, my dude. What is your 1-1? I'ma just call your wife. Let's see what she says. Yeah. Oh, she's bed is not at home. Well, okay then. Then why are you not on today's list? Okay, that's good. Small nose. Yes. Big smile. Yes. 2 tattoos. Yes. Scar left cheek. Yes. Okay, is there anything wrong with your appearance? This is good. This is good too. I seriously can't spot anything. Please be right. Please. It was correct. My brain is fried. Like seriously, this is taking so much brain power. Okay, she was not. Oh, thank God she was not a doppelganger. Okay, you have the right eyebrows now, so that's a good thing. Okay. And that's 301, so that's perfect. Okay, let's see. Yes. Yes, this is fine. That's good too. Now your face. Small nose. Yes. Teeth and cheeks. Yes. Thin eyebrows. Indeed. No pupils. Indeed. Sharp teeth. Let's just funsies. Yes, you do indeed have sharp teeth. That's the thing, you get so unsure of yourself and your judgment. I feel like something is wrong, but you know what? Please be right. I beg you. Please. Please. Don't kill me. She was correct. Yes. Okay. Now, are you on today's list? You are on today's list. And you're on like the first floor. Okay. BRABRTOS. Yes. BR. You're missing an arm, my dude. There we go. I'm not stupid, you know. Learn how to spell, you dumbass. How many times do I have to throw you out? Seriously? There must be something wrong with you. What is your number? Because I know that you're in 26, 68. Please tell me I'm right. Yeah. Oh, you are in the apartment right now, both of you, huh? Well, bye-bye then. Then I just know to throw both of you out whenever I see any of you. Please don't be what I think it is. Okay. CHRUGNR. Yes. Okay. 60. 89. I'm gonna lose on this one if I don't start. Okay, let's try again. 45. 69. Okay, that's correct. This is fine. And this is also fine. Has a trunk. Yes. One tattoo. Looks correct to me, his tattoo. Has two trunks. Yes, indeed. Big ears. I can't see anything wrong with him. Please don't kill me, because you've done that every single time I've had you. Oh no, not that. No, I don't want to play a game. Forget about it. I don't want to play. Whatever. Oh hell nah, that's nah. Oh hell nah! I don't wanna freaking play with you! Now, pay close attention, because I will only explain the rules once. We will play with cards. The winner is the one who runs out of cards. We will take turns and only use one card per turn. Only a card greater than or equal to the one in play can be used, or any of the wild cards JKQ. These cards can always be played. Any card beats a wild card. If you can't use a card, you must draw one from the deck. If you can play the new card, then use it. Otherwise, your turn ends when you have until you have 6 cards. We will play the best of 3. Good luck. Haha, you bitch. Wait, what? Oh, he finished first. Okay. Fuck. Oh my days, oh no. Are you kidding me? I literally won. The only reason why I got is because of that goddamn clown. I would say that's a pretty good run. Like, at least I won, kinda. I only had a problem with that goddamn clown. Well, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, remember to like and subscribe and ring that bell button. Other than that, I see you guys. Bye.